Hello guys, in this tutorial I will discuss how we can add a table of contents on your WordPress blog posts. So here you can see this is our WordPress blog website, okay, and there are multiple blog posts, and once you click on the first one you can see it's a blog post, right? So you can see the top 10 business bluster ideas for students 2023. So this is a post details page, and here we are going to add a table of contents, and this is something for SEO purposes to develop your website for ranking, right? So in that case, just go to the plugin WordPress and click on add new option, and once you click on add new option, just search table of contents. Okay, so the first one, the easy table of contents, you can see the magazine 3. So this one we need to install as, because you can see there are multiple active installation over there, right? So just install now, and once installed, just click on activate. So now you can see the plugin is getting activated, and yeah, now it's activated. Okay, so go to the settings of this, and this should be enabled for post and pages as well. You can do for post only. Okay, auto insert should be for posts, and you can see the header text above the table of contents. Actually, where you would like to display your header label, you can choose over there table of contents. You can name of the heading area for table of contents, whatever you need, and after that just scroll down. You can select for something. The theme is for gray, light blue, white, black, transparent, and custom as well. You can choose the background color, border color as well. So this is something we need to check, and after that just save the changes. And once you save the changes, go to your post page. This is the post page, okay, this post, and now we're going to see the table of contents. So just reload this post. Okay, now the post has been reloaded, and here you can see the table of contents over there. So this is something you can easily add a table of contents on your WordPress blog post area, and it will help to increase your traffics, and it's a good for SEO purposes. That's it. Thank you.